Well, guys, welcome to episode 2 of the 25K challenge. I only made a video explaining Monday's trades so far for this week, and this week is the 23rd of September to 27th of September 2024 week. So I did a video for the 23rd of September trades, which was one trade, and I did to show you guys Tuesday trades, which was the 24th, Wednesday 25th, 26th, and 27th. So we have ended the week at break even in terms of our trades, but we are 0.5% down on the challenge because of some bullshit, which I'll explain to you guys. So, and I'm going to try to keep these videos quicker from now on. I want to add some more editing into it as well, and I want to make much better thumbnails, much better title for the series. So, forgive me if this video takes a bit longer to come out because I want to add some changes to the series. Anyway, this trade here was Tuesday's trade, and not all the way back in. So pretty simple break instruction range. We had retraced into the 50%. We swept it and bullish order flow. Order flow turned bullish. We continued the high time frame trend, but we were just inducement for this low zone. So although overall we were right on the bias, we were too early with our entry, and even with that being true, it wasn't a bad trade. This was a good trade that I followed my plan, and there was something wrong with this trade, which was that the trade was 5 minutes before high impact news. So with high impact news, normally fine to take trades like 20 minutes or 30 minutes before or an hour before. Usually 20-30 minutes before is a good range because more often than not, the high impact news just follows the high time frame trend of the market, and I only trade with the high time frame trend. So more often than not, news just pushes my trades to TP if I'm already in a trade at that time. But with this instance, I entered too close to high impact news. I entered 5 minutes before, and as soon as the news started, it just took us out. And also, of 0.5% of this trade, but it risked almost 1%. It risked like 0.8586 or something like that, because of that candle movement of the news, we got slipped out of our stop loss and it closed the trade late. So that is unfortunate. So that put us down at almost 1%. What was I going to say? Yeah, so it should have lost $125. And when I checked the Apple funded, it said minus 213. So I was like, okay, that's a bit annoying, but it is what it is. So that was Tuesday. And now I go to Wednesday where I took 2 trades. And we had this trade, and we had a trade on US30. So I'll run you through this trade first. And it was following the same high time frame break instruction range as this one. And we were going to take this week higher, which we did, but again, we just got unlucky here. It's very normal for this to happen. Like, eventually our drawn liquidity did get taken out, but we were just inducement and price just wanted to retrace and I guess consolidate a bit before that happened, and this was overnight obviously, so yeah, we probably weren't going to take out the drawn liquidity during this time until the Asia session opened. So pretty unlucky on that one. And then US30 trade. So the only things that were wrong with this week was Monday's trades. Monday's trade was invalid with a high time frame structure, so that was a bad trade. Tuesday's trade way too close to high impact news. Wednesday's trades, both trades were very good, but they just lost due to unfortunate circumstances. Same thing here on US30. Very strong bullish movement on our mid time frame with that high time frame drawn liquidity, and we got unlucky just to get swept right before price dropped to our TP and swept the liquidity that we were looking for So this trade and JB's Wednesday trade were very good trades. I just got unlucky. Now we come into Friday and we hit a full a full risk reward. Um, so yeah, this was a very good trade. I've gotten a lot better at the retracement trades, following the plan in terms of retracement trades, and adding not adding more conditions, but making our criteria more strict for retracement trades. Because naturally, if you're trading reversals, it's going to be lower win rate. So if you are, you want to make sure it's a very high quality setup. And the way I changed that was by kind of only taking reversal while order flow is still bullish. So if we have a really big range like this and price retraces down here and then order flow shifts bullish again like that, I'm not going to keep trying to take retracement trades from these if prices turn to bullish. So until that happens, I can keep trading retracements, and that's exactly what I did here. We swept that 1 hour / 4 hour high time frame high, and then we had a 5-minute change of character, and then fake breaker structure, and then we had inducement here with another fake breaker structure here that didn't close below. So when the second breaker structure doesn't close and leaves that point of inducement, that seems to be very high probability for me, so that's why I felt good about this trade. And we came in here, we had our 5-minute type 1 confirmation. It was a very nice confirmation. And then we had price went pretty much straight to the time frame high, the time frame low. And then here was just another winning setup that was presented in the day. I didn't take this one, I only forward tested it, but it was basically a retracement into this 1 hour breaker structure zone right here. We swept a point of liquidity and it was past the 50% reversal range. And we had a 5-minute change of character here. Retracement into the discount of the 5-minute range. Order block here. Strong 5-minute type 1 minute shift. And then a nice 2 to 3 and 2.3 is right there. So, and then that's Thursday. And then Friday, I didn't take any trades. I didn't see any setups. So I just did a trade. And yeah, we ended the week break even, but of the challenge, negative 0.5%. So technically, overall, we're 0.5% down because things like slippage does happen, and it was my fault for taking a trade that close to high impact news. So yeah, we're 0.5% down. Not a bad start. I'm quite happy with how this week went. Monday and Tuesday could have been avoided, so that's 1% of losses that could have been avoided this week, and we learned from it. We analyzed it, and yeah, I'm excited to keep moving. We're making very good improvements in terms of our strategy and our overall psychology, and in adapting to different high time frame market conditions, which is something I struggled with a lot, and that's something we're getting better at now. So I will wrap the video up here, and I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all for episode 3 in a few days. So goodbye.